Today I will show you how to mute someone on Instagram, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Instagram app on your device. Now once that's launched, you're going to click on the icon at the far right of the bottom navigation to go to your profile. Now that we are on our profile, we need to find the person that we want to mute. So we can either go to our followers list, our following list, or if we've messaged the person before, we're gonna go to our messages. Now, right here, what you want to do once you find the person is you want to go into the message with the person. Now, once you go into the message with the person, you're gonna click on the person's username at the top, and once you click on that, you're gonna see the option to mute right under the person's username, and you click on mute, and it's gonna ask you if you want to mute calls, mute messages, or hide message previews. So you're gonna toggle whichever one matches your preference. And there's also a duration for the mute. uh you can click on until I change it if that's how you feel. And that's how to mute someone on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.